calf a shot, so he roped him. He run him down with that Kubota right there. That's funny. I should have got him while he's roping. Oh yeah, that hurt. You good? I don't think you like that. We're back on our low water project. We're in a different oh yeah, 3-ring circus here, boys. Back on our low water project, we're on another field. Gotta go down and grab some debris. So this pond right here was overflowing and filling all this back up. Killed all those trees right here. That's the field that we were in last week. Got that one all drained out, it's drying. So now we're gonna dry out. Got a little bit of water right here by this fence, but this water is coming this way. That water went that way. So we'll get that water out of there so we can, we're gonna trench right beside this, the mouth of the pond. And I'm gonna trench this away where it goes out that way and then goes this way. So it had 2 foot of water in it. So we got it drained out past 3 or 4 days or whatever. And then we'll go in there and fix that side up, tear all those trees down, get all that burned up. They were doing some stuff at the front of the farm. They started putting a pile here with limbs, so I'm gonna pick it up and bring it back here. I don't want to burn right here in the middle of a field and then have a debris pile right there, and I don't want to bury nothing out here in the middle. So I'm just gonna pick it all up and bring it back here where I'm at. So, all right, see you in a minute. Alright, and that pond right here, that's going to be the overflow. We need to go through that fence here and come this way. I got another ditch going that way. Back there is where the low spot's at. I got most of it drained, but I need to come down about another 3 or 4 inches. So I need to take the whole pond down, and that it'll grab that low spot. So I guess just at the time it built up, and we're going to chase this all the way down here. We get it to the culvert, it goes through the culvert, it should take off. You can see in that dark green grass, it just kind of meanders through the field. So as long as it gets out of here, we're good. And then I can give it a couple days to drain out so I can do the trees. Get all those dead trees out of there. And then we'll get those all burned up. Cold, raining. This is perfect for doing that. My equipment's all muddy. Bunch of mud on the tracks. Come back and smooth this out after it dries, and I don't know when that's going to be. It's better than taking a dozer in here right now, tear it all up. You wouldn't be able to get it. It wouldn't work at all. All it would do is just rut everything up. So what I've been doing is, that side already has a bottom right there. So I come over, leave a little bit out. You see I'm just pulling just this side, so it should be pretty even. Give it one more little scrape, and then I call it good and I move on. But if I don't get it deep enough, I'll have to go and do it all over again. But we don't want a big, real deep ditch right here. I want to show y'all something I noticed the other day. If you look down at the bottom, that's where the water's coming in. We're uphill from it, and I got it running uphill. Comes right here, goes across the culvert, and then runs downhill over here. So it goes across the culvert. Once it gets there, it drops, takes off, and heads out that way. Isn't that cool? But you can see my truck sitting up high, and then I'm up high. And that's a low spot over there. We got it running uphill. It's a cool little deal. I noticed that the other day when I was doing it, I'm like, ooh, we're going uphill. But it works. Anyway, thought y'all thought that was cool. I think it was cool. So what I'm talking about, so like if I'm pushing, I can go forward or reverse. I don't want to be swapped around where I got to go backwards to go forward. Just in case something happens. All right, let's push it over. There we go. Look at the dirt on the back of that thing. Tear all this dirt, push it over. Limbs off, and then I'll start breaking it up. It don't take long with a track hoe. music. Something was playing a while ago. Oh wow. Very white. There we go. Push that up against that tree and break it, maybe, I don't know. I figured I'd burn a little bit while it's drizzling raining. Perfect time to do it. A little north wind, there's my pile, I need to go get that. be on top of it, but that'll work too. Pumping out a little bit of smoke there. That burn just for a second, and then we'll stick this on there.